So the chemical is leaking, and this is the rate, gallons per hour, at which it's leaking. So we can talk about the volume of chemicals, and V prime of T is the derivative, or the rate of change of volume with respect to time. So V prime of T is F of T. And recall that whenever you have a rate like F of T, which is V prime of T, rate with respect to T times the differential with respect to T gives you the differential in the dependent variable, in this case V. Or in other words, this is a net change problem. Rate times time gives you distance, or in this case, volume. dV dt times dt gives you the change in dV. And if we multiply these and we get a bunch of rates times times, which is the total change in volume, if we accumulate all of those changes, we get the total net change. So our answer to this question is going to be the definite integral from time 0 to time 12 of the rates times change times time, the f of t's times dt. So the antiderivative of this is 1600 e to the negative 0.12 t divided by negative 0.12. And we'll evaluate that at 12, and we'll evaluate it at 0 and calculate the difference. And that gives us the answer choice D.